Hello children, today we will solve exercise 4.2 of chapter 4 and I will tell you how to fill this table using multiplication. Okay, and while this we also learned table from 1 to 10, table from 1 to 10, and in this we have to do skip counting. Through the skip counting we will learn the tables. So first you can see here in this column I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. This is the first row, and here I have written counting from 1 to 10. Now what we have to do, we just have to multiply this 1 with this 1. So 1 ones are is equals to 1. 1 times 1, or we can say 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. Now what we have to do, 2 multiply 1, 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2. Now 3 multiply 1 is equals to 3. Now this, whenever a number multiplied by 1, we will get the number itself. So we will write a counting only here. Now we have to multiply this 1 with this 2. So when we multiply this 1 with 2, we will get 2. 2 twos are 4. Now 2, 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10. Now again we will just go through it. 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So while this we will solve the table of 2. After that we just multiply this 3 with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what we will get? You can see we will get these number. When we multiply 3 with 1, we will get 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. After that we just multiply these 1 to 10 numbers with this 4. In the same manner, we will write the table of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, we will solve the question number 1 on page number 59. Now, our second question is, now the second question is fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. So, one has been done, that 5 fours are 20. We can see from our table 5 fours are 4 times 5 gives us 20. You can see this is matched here. 4 5s are 20. Okay, now we have to find 7 threes are. So you can see 7 3 times. 7 threes are 21. So we will write here 21. Now 8 6 are, you can see from here 8 6 are 48. So we will write here 48. Now 6 twos are, so 6 twos are 12. After that 5 ones are 5 and 9 threes are 27. Okay. Now I will tell you some important properties of multiplication. You can see the first property of multiplication has written here, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. I can give you one example, like here I have multiplied 6 with 0. Okay, so in the answer we will get 0. Now one more thing I want to tell you, that the number which are multiplied, like in this case 6 and 0 together multiplied, so this 6 and 0 are called factors, and the answer will be get after multiplication. Like here we will get 0, so this answer is called product. Okay, so whenever any number multiplied with 0, like whenever any one factor is 0, we will get 0 as a product. We will take one more example, like we multiply 121 with 0. So 0 is always a hero. When we multiply any number with 0, we will get 0 in the answer. Now you can see the second property have written, any number multiplied by 1. Okay, any number multiplied by 1 will give the number itself. Suppose here I have taken one example, I have taken one number 100 multiplied by 1. So whenever we multiply any number with 1, so we will get the number itself as the product. This is our product and these two are factors. So whenever a number multiplied by 1, we will get the number itself as the place of product. Now here written the third property. The order of number which are multiplied, जो number multiplied हो रहे हैं, does not affect the product. Order means, suppose I have written one number here, 5 multiplies 6, and this will give the answer 30. If I change the order, like I will write 6 first and after that I will write 5, so it does not affect the product we will get the same. So these are the main three property of multiplication which you have to learn, which we will apply in the next exercise. And if you are having any doubt, you will ask me on a Google Meet. Thank you and have a nice